In previous case, to connect controller with Epic Games, we were using Steam to solve the error. But because of the issues, we will eliminate Steam in this case, and by using DS4 Windows, we will create a virtual PS4 controller which will directly connect with Epic Games, and we will use HidHide tool to stop Epic Games to use actual controller setting. All who has seen my previous video to use controller for GTA 5 using Steam's and that method didn't work for you. So, this is another method. This method will work 100%. Connect your controller using USB cable. Once it is connected, it will automatically connect it to Steam profile. Here, in my case, it will show blue light because I have set up blue light for my controller in Steam. So, sometimes Steam input will not work with Epic Games for some cases. Many people are facing this problem while playing GTA 5 from Epic Games using Steam for controller input. The controller is not working properly. For example, when using left joystick, the phone will comes out, or camera movement is messed up. To solve all the current problem, I tried many methods, also tried to use Steam for controller input, but doesn't work properly. The best solution of this is using DS4 Windows. Yes, I know, nobody wants to install extra software. I also didn't want to install any extra software. So, I ignored this method for 6 months, but trust me guys, this is the only working solution I found till now. This extra software is not that big, and working 100%. So, here is detailed tutorial, how to set up DS4 Windows. So, first all you need is DS4 Windows software from its official site. You go to its site, and you will find the download button. Simply download the file, which will download the zip file in your system. Extract the zip file, and open the DS4 Windows folder. From that just run the DS4 Windows application file. At first, you will get this error, and ask to download desktop runtime. Just download it by clicking here. If it doesn't start automatically, you can download manually. After installing, open DS4 Windows again. Once it opens, it will ask you to install VGM bus driver. It is very necessary step. It can create virtual controllers, which we will use to play GTA 5 in future step. You can also download it from its website. Here is how you can download it from website. After downloading and installing the driver, close the DS4 Windows, and open it again. As you can see, we can see our PS4 controller here. And it shows blue light, which means it uses Steam profile by default. And in many cases, Windows will identify it as Spock's controller, which is causing all the problems while playing GTA 5 using Steam. In my case, it is also showing Spock's controller. So, here, we will create a virtual controller using VGM bus driver we installed before. To do that, just open the DS4 Windows, go to the Profiles tab and create a new profile. Follow the instruction carefully. Click Yes for preset and in the next pop-up window, select preset as gamepad and output controller as DualShock 4. And click Apply. Your profile will be created. Set the profile name as you like and click Save. Now go to Controllers, select Profile, click on your new created PS4 profile. It will change the color of your controller light. Do not change it. If you want to change it, make sure it is different from your Steam profile. It will help us to identify which profile is currently active in our controller while playing the game. Here, in my case, it is white, and I don't want to change it. If you turn on the Steam and go to controller setting, it will show two profiles, and your controller light will again become blue. So, here, there will be infamous double input issue. I will guide you how to solve that. First, close the Steam and make sure it is completely closed from the hidden icons too. And please do not keep Steam open while playing GTA 5. Now open DS4 Windows. Stop it and start it again. So, out controller will be back into PS4 profile. To solve double input issue, download the HidHide driver from DS4 Windows website. Just follow the steps as this video. Here, you have to go down all the way to find the download HidHide driver. Just install it and it will ask you to restart the system. Restart your system. After restarting, open the DS4 Windows. As you can see, here it is showing cross EX symbol, which shows the double input profile is not hidden. It must show the symbol like this key, which means it is correctly hidden. For that we have to set up HidHide driver. Just follow the setup guide as video. This is the most important step because it will stop GTA 5 or Windows to use Spock's profile and allow to use only PS4 controller profile. The HidHide driver allows the user to hide gamepads from the system and make them detectable to only chosen programs in order to prevent the infamous double input issue. So, here, we will hide all the profiles and only shows the profile which we created through DS4 Windows. Open HidHide driver from search, here. From its interface, the Applications tab shows all whitelisted applications that are allowed access to the hidden devices. We have to add DS4 Windows software in the application list, so it can detect the profiles from DS4 Windows 2. Now, from Device tab, you can see there are two controllers listed. One is detected by system which is using Spock's profile, and other is the virtual controller we created using DS4 Windows. But we don't know which is wrong, and which one we have to use. If you see more than two controller listed, only one is right, and we have to hide all other controllers. So for that, just close the DS4 Windows completely, make sure to close it from the hidden icons too. And reopen the HidHide driver. Now there is only one controller listed, which is detected by system the wrong one. Just check the checkbox here, now it is hidden from the system. Who has more than one controller, click all the boxes. Now close the HidHide driver, and open DS4 Windows again. Now we can see the key symbol in our created profile, which shows we are ready to go. Before starting the game, we will check if our setup is complete. First, check if the controller light is same as DS4 Windows profile. If key symbol is still there. Second, in HidHide, there must only one controller without checkbox ticked. All other controllers must be hidden by clicking on checkbox. Third, if you added Epic Games and Rockstar in Steam library, remove them, and Steam must be closed completely. After checking these things, just open GTA 5 from its icon and now you can use your controller properly. If you face any problem, just ask in comments or join my Discord server, or I will try to answer your questions. Or you can write me in my Telegram channel, only created for solving your issues. If you will be able to solve the issue, subscribe me, like and share this video, so all gamers can enjoy the GTA 5.
justice for the